Question number exercise 7.3 NCERT 12th class और exercise 7.2 part 2. Exercise 7.3 we have question sin square 2x plus 5 equal to we have let 2x plus 5 2x plus 5 equal to 2 into dx equal to dt and dx equal to dt upon 2, and also we have sin square t into dt upon 2. Okay, and here we have also sin square t equal to formula is 1 upon 4. We have also here 2 sin square t, so we also multiply, so this is 1 upon 4 or this is 2 sin square t into dt. Formula is 2 sin square t 1 minus cos 2t, so this is 1 upon 4 1 plus cos 2t upon 1 plus cos 2t, or this is we have also integrated. We have to write here. So next part 1 integration of 1, this is also dx and dt, so this is t, and plus cos 2t, so this is sin 2t upon 2, this is the integration, and we also substitute the value of t, so this is t t equal to 2x plus 5 2x plus 5 and then plus sin into 2, and this is 2x plus 5. Okay, this is the answer. First question is complete. Second question is question number second, exercise 7.3 sin 3x and cos 4x. We have formula. First of all, we have no formula direct in, so we have to change in addition term by the help of geometric formula. Okay, next sin, this is 1 upon 2 sin 3x into cos 4x, 2 sin a into cos b. This is formula is sin 3x plus 4x 7x a plus b plus 3 minus 4 sin 7x plus sin minus x. We also know that this is sin 7x minus sin x. If we have two terms, then we have to apply integration of this. This is 1 upon 2. We also write 1 upon 2 and integration 1 upon 2 integration sin 7x dx, and we have two terms. We also know that sin minus x, we have to write 1 upon 2 sin 7x means cos 7x, 7 is constant and 7 is here, and also minus sin x, so cos x upon 1 plus c. We have to check and explain. Our question is sin 3x or cos 4x. We have formula 1 upon 2 sin 3x into cos 4x. We have no integration, indirectly multiplication. So 2 sin a into cos b. Formula is sin a plus b, the 3x plus 4x 7x, and sin 4x minus 3x minus x. Sin minus theta minus sin theta. We have two terms sin 7x. Answer is cos 7x. 7 is constant, so 7 is also divided for. This is the rule sin x का cos x. And constant is every term we have to add. The third is cos 2x cos 4x into cos 3x. We have no direct formula in multiplication form of geometric function, so we have to change in addition term by the help of formula. First of all, 1 upon 2 cos 2x. Here is 2 cos 4x into cos 6x. 1 upon 2. This is cos 2x. This is also 2 cos A into cos B. So cos A plus B. So cos A plus B means 6 plus 4, 10x plus 6 minus 4. So this is also cos. और 6 में से 4 2x and 6 minus 4 2x. We have also two terms. We also next term 1 upon 2. We have also applied cos 2x into cos 10x. This is first term. We also multiply cos square 2x. Next term cos 2x into cos 10x. We also here are two terms multiplication form. We also write cos A into cos B. So cos A plus B. So cos A plus B means 10 plus 2 12. And 12x and plus and cos 8x. We have also two terms. Here is also here is also 2, and this is also 4. So this is 4. This is also 1 upon 4. And cos 12x plus and cos 8x. Third term is 2 cos square 2x. There is also formula. We have two terms. 1 plus cos 2x. So we have also write 1 plus cos 2x means cos 4x. Because 2 means 2x. We have continued. Cos 12x. So cos 12x means sin 12x. We have 12x upon 12. First term is complete. This is cos 8x. This is also sin 8x upon 8. Second term is complete. Third is x is complete, and fourth is sin 4x. Upon 4 we have to explain half cos 2x cos 10x. This is also 2 cos A into cos B. This is 2 cos square x, 2 cos A into cos B, cos A plus B. So 2x plus 10 is 12x and 10x minus 2x, this is 8x. And we have also 2 cos square x means 1 plus cos 4x. Also we have to integrate. So 1 upon 4 and cos square sin square. This term 12x, so sin 12x upon 12. Second term is cos 8x, so sin 8x upon 8 plus x, and also plus sin 4x upon 4. Sin 3x. We also know that sin 3x equal to 3 sin x. 3 sin x minus 4 3x. This is the formula. We have to find this is in LHS. So 4 sin 3x equal to 4 sin 3x, so 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Okay, next 4 is division form. So this is also 1 upon 4. This is 3 sin x sin 3x. We also here 2x plus 1. So we have to substitute in place of this is sin 3 2x. We also integrate in terms of this. So we have 3 1 upon 4 and same simple integration 2x plus 1. We have to write here. So this is 3. This is second sin and 2x plus 1 minus sin 6x plus 3. We have two terms of integration. we also integrate. So this is 3 upon 4. 1 upon 4